This is the official website of Drupal, and why I'm showing you this page at the introduction, because I'm going to show you how to make a website using Drupal. And Drupal is a content management system through which you can make a website without having prior knowledge of any programming language, as it is based on PHP and MySQL. But you don't need to know about PHP and MySQL. But you know, if you know about these things, then that is like a added advantage for you. So around 6,72,000 people are using this Drupal CMS around 228 countries, and some of the biggest websites are The Economist, The White House, even the Symantec Connect, which is used by Symantec. And you can see a working example of Drupal as aliencoders.com. This is also based on Drupal. So what are all the other things required to install Drupal? The first thing is you need to download the working uh, software related to Drupal. So the current version is Drupal 7.8, but I will prefer 6.22 because it is the most stable version till now, around the 6 Drupal 6 version. And maybe Drupal 7 is I mean very popular now, but there are many other things, there are many other modules or themes that does not support, still does not support 7.2. So I would prefer 6.22 because I have worked on this. So you can download it from here. If you are on Linux window, download it from here, or if you are on Windows, download it from here. It will be a zip file, so you just have to unzip it and you have to save it as a folder called Drupal. I will show you like how to do all these things. And the other thing, to if you want to run this Drupal into your local host, you need a server. So you need PHP, you need MySQL, you need Apache server. So you don't need to install everything separately. Just go to this wampserver.com and install the latest release of WAMP server, either from here or from here. It will be including Apache, PHP, MySQL, and PHP MyAdmin, SQL Budget also. So just after downloading it, try to install it and give it everything as a default. So after that you will see one particular directory inside C called WAMP, and inside WAMP you will be having www. Don't worry about all these things. This will be your root folder where from where your particular things will be taken on the browser. So whatever is here, it will be shown into your particular page like this. So after running this WAMP, when you will click on this start WAMP server, it will show something like this. This is WAMP 1.7.4, but you need to download it, this one, not a problem. And it will show you like this: localhost, PHP MyAdmin, SQLite manager, and all these things. So don't worry about all these things, just click on this localhost, so you will see this page. And from where this page is coming, so this page is coming from here, as it is index.php. So even if you will write index.php, the same page will be shown to you. Either write localhost or write 127.0.0.1. This will also show you the same page. So now I have downloaded the Drupal, and even I unzipped it and named it as a Drupal. So you can see a particular project as Drupal. So see, this folder is being shown here because of this one only, and so whatever will be inside your www, this will be called as a root folder. So this is your root website, and now you are going to use particular folder called Drupal. So this is the first page where you need to install Drupal. So click on install Drupal in English. So you will see something like requirement problem and copy the dot sites default settings to sites slash default slash settings.php. It means I just need to copy this file to settings.php at the same location. So let's go to sites default. Inside Drupal you will be having a folder called sites and default. So here you are seeing this thing default setting.php. So just copy and paste it and rename it as settings.php because this was required there. Now just again refresh it, press F5 or whatever so you will see that verify requirements is done. Now there will be a database. You may need this database names to set up your database. Enter the following information. So whatever database name you are going to give, you don't know like where this database is, even if this database exists or not. But don't worry, you can give any name. So currently I am giving Drupal underscore test. If this database is there, then it will just overwrite and it will write their own table and all. Even if it's not there, it will throw an error. So we will see that how to solve that error also. So let uh, uh, be the database username as Sanjeev or whatever you can give. Even if it is just like the default one you install, so you can give the root also. So in my case it would be Sanjeev, and usually by default password will be blank, so you can give the blank password. Database username as root and database password as blank. As I'm giving Sanjeev and I have given a particular password for this, so I'm going to use it. Save and continue. So let's see what it is showing. See, failed to connect your MySQL database server. MySQL reports the following message: access denied for user Sanjeev at localhost. So it means maybe there is no such user. Let it be root and let's see what it is saying. Will it allow me without password? No. So it means I need to give the password. Sanjeev. I hope this time it should work. Fail to select your database, which means the connection username and password are invalid, but there is a problem accessing your database. See now. It means a root and a particular password is taken. So now it is connecting with the database. You don't have to worry how it is connecting and where it is connecting. You just need to know that MySQL reports the following message: unknown database Drupal underscore test. It means that particular database is not there. So how you can create this database? Either you can create it using MySQL PHP myadmin. So from where you can get this PHP myadmin? When you will open this localhost page, you will see PHP myadmin. This is a graphical user interface for the MySQL. So these all are the databases present here, and currently Drupal underscore test is not there. So you need to create it. So you will see something like create new database. You can create from here like this, or you can go to MySQL. If you like this MySQL console, you can give the password. If it is by default, it will be blank. For me it is something. Oh, I think I gave the wrong password. No worries. Let's see if it is working or not. See, you will see at first. Let's see how you can see the databases from here. See, all the databases are here. These are the graphical user interface, and these are all on console. So you can create database from here also by giving this command: create database Drupal underscore test. That's it. Either you press enter, then also it will get created, or let's see. So it got created. Now if you will see show databases, you can see Drupal underscore test. Let's go to the graphical user interface and try to create something else. You can create it from here also, but leave it. Now if you will refresh this page, you can see Drupal underscore test. You got it right. So there are two ways to create databases, either using PHP MyAdmin or using MySQL console. So now go to again that configuration page where it was giving error. Put the password again. Now this save and continue. This time it should pass this. See what it is saying this time. So it is initializing now. There may be one error for there may be one particular requirement also, like if it is size is 8 MB, PHP maximum size is 8 MB, you may need to make it 16 MB. So that particular thing may come into the picture, although it is not coming into the picture because I have changed particular configuration in Apache 2. If it is coming, then you need to go to Apache 2 bin, and here you will see something php.ini. Just open it with anything. This is my favorite notepad plus plus. Currently I'm opening it in textpad plus. Okay, so here you will see somewhere 16. See, although maximum amount of memory script may consume, by default it was 8 MB, I have given memory underscore limit equal to 16 MB. That's why this error was not coming there. So if you find this error, this particular error, just change it from 8 MB to 16 MB and save it. It is located in C WAMP Apache 2 bin php.ini. That's it. Now what will be the site name? Let the site name will be Drupal demo. And what will be the email address? See, maybe your local host is not configured so that you can't send mail, or even you can't get any mail. But if it is online, if it is on particular server, you may get this address. So let it be admin@aliencoders.com. And yes, of course you need one administrator account, so let the administrator account be admin. And password, let it be again admin. You can put anything. And default time, this is Indian time, so let it be there. Clean URLs, it is being disabled now, and I will tell you in other tutorials like how to enable it, because this is for the basics, so you don't have to worry about all these things. So your website will be on within a few seconds. It is on the last stage. It seems little slow. Okay, warning. See, mail function failed to connect mail server because this mail server is not being configured correctly, right? So leave it. You don't have to worry about all this site. Just click on your new site. You will be redirected to your website, and that will be again just like 127.0.0/Drupal, and that's it. Now this is the site name. You are logged in as an admin, so it is showing your my account. Now there are 2 to 3 things that you wish to do it before doing anything. First thing, you may need to change this front page, which you can change either by writing any particular pages or blogs or whatever it is. And for that you need to know how to change the theme. You need to know from where I can enable the modules, and how I can post anything, any post. like either using blog or a story or book page or whatever it is. So let's go to the theme first, and let's see how many themes are there by default and how you can enable and disable it. So here you will see themes inside site building, and there are many themes like blue marine, chameleon, garland, marvin, minelli, push button. Currently this garland is enabled, and by default it is showing this one also. But what if you want any other particular themes just like this? This is not the default theme. This is called Aqua Marina theme, and I have installed it. So how to install it and where to install it, you may ask this question. So better to go to site. See, there are two things. Either you can see modules and themes folder here. So these are the 5 themes that you saw just by default, and these are the modules. I will show where these modules are coming. But if you need to install your own modules and own themes, don't just put modules into this, and don't just put themes into this folder. Better to go site, and instead of default, go to all. Why all? Because tomorrow maybe you may publish more than one website and you want the same thing to there also. So you just don't need to install it to the other server also. You can just redirect it from here. If you will put it into this, so this will be working only for this website. So better to put it here and make it global. Although nothing is there, so you just need to create 3 particular folder. First is modules, second is themes, third may be required called libraries. There are a few modules which may require this particular folder called libraries. So now whatever your new modules or new themes will be, you just install into this particular folder. You just need to copy it there and it will be working. So I will show you like how to do that. Here you will see themes. There will be called Aqua Marina theme. You can download it from the net also, but just I'm copying it, and you need Fusion to use this Aqua Marina. There are other theme called Marinelli and this picture reloaded. These are few good themes that you may install. Mystic theme, picture reloaded theme, Marinelli, Fusion, and Aqua Marina. And Fusion is required for Aqua Marina for sure. So you may copy anything. Let's see. Let's copy all these things and put inside this themes folder: WAMP, www, Drupal, sites, all, and themes. I will put it just here. And let's put some modules just like birthday and path auto. These 2 modules. Themes are installed here. Modules will be installed here. These 2 modules are there and themes are there. Now just go to this page and refresh it. So you can see Aqua Marina theme, and this requires the Fusion Core base theme and the Skin R module. So you need Skin R module too. So there will be particular modules called Skin R. You need to download it, or you can come here. You can see I have already these things. So just Skin R. You just need to extract here, and after that you just need to copy it again. Where we need to go, you know that. So inside sites, all, and then modules, and just put this. Now what is this path auto module and what is this birthday module? So when you will install this birthday module, when you will enable it, you can see something like this, like whose birthday on the next 7 days or upcoming birthdays, like this. Like Ranjan Pandey is having birthday on 27th October, Ritesh Kamal is having birthday on 11th December, then this is Wolverine Tyagi, Amit Aryan, Aplio. So it will show like that. And what is this path auto? So if that path auto is enabled, you can put something like this. If you will not enable it, you can't see something called content and tablets by or by not. It will be coming like something node, and this node number will be coming here. It will not show you this particular title heading here. And these are the other theme again. That was Aqua Marina theme, and this is Marinelli theme. So if you will enable Marinelli theme, it will come like this. Okay. So and from where you can enable and disable all these themes, I will tell you those things also. So where I was here in modules. I just installed this particular modules. Now we need to see it how it is working. So you need to enable Aqua Marina theme. I will show you like how to enable it and make it as a default. So for that you need Fusion Core at least. Enable it also. If you want, you can enable it all these things like Giordani, Marinelli, Mystic theme. This is the Mystic theme, which is very popular theme in WordPress. So now this particular theme is available in Drupal also. You can use it if you wish. Now save configuration and see how the modules is being, so how this web page is being changed just by using this theme. So you can change any theme by any time. Here it was configured, Giordani was configured as default. Again I need to change it to Aqua Marina. This is the default theme that I am using into my website. See, now you can see your website became like this. Now if you will go to the home page, your home page will be looking something like this. Now you can change this particular logo. You can change this particular fav icon. You can change this name, and you can reduce particular width, or you can use this space also for your particular themes, for your particular subjects. So now theme part is over. About modules, let's go to the modules and see. You will see this much modules: blocks, menus, modules, themes. Inside administration you will see modules here. Go to the modules. I will tell you all these things about all these things in the next tutorial, like what is comments, what is content, what is content types, what is post settings, what is blocks, menus, and about all these things in the next tutorial, like at least basic intro, so that you can understand for what purpose which particular term is being used. So currently we are bothered about modules, so let's go to the modules. So these are the modules which these are disabled by default. See, your main purpose is either using blog or forum, so that you need to enable it. Blog, enable the blog. If you want, you can enable blog API also. This is being used from third-party tool, so that you can update your particular blog even from your system, from your PC locally. So for that you need blog API. Let it be like that only. If you are writing some tutorials kind of things, like suppose some tutorial on JavaScript, like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that, so you can use book. This will give you the structure site pages in an hierarchy or outline. So you can enable it currently. Let's bother about blog and forum only. So here is the forum. So you can enable this forum also, and you can enable this contact because this is being used for the both personal and site-wide contact form. So all the users of this website, including admin, can send a mail or message using this contact form. You don't have to worry about other things. Let's see what are all the other things are there. Yes, you can create it so that you can see the public profile, or your users can make public profile into your website. And you can enable site-wide searching, so that if they will write some keyword like alien, so it will show you where this alien word is being used into your websites. These are for the admin only, so I will tell you in the later, like why these things are being used and how to enable it and why to enable it. This is upload the module, and you may need it when you are going to post something into your blog. So these things are there, basic things that you may need to enable. And let's enable it. See, it came birthdays and skin R. You need to enable it for Aqua Marina theme, and these are the birthday theme. So for the path auto you need token. If it is missing, means you just need to download this missing module, token module, from Drupal original website, Drupal official's website, and then put it into the same folder where I put. Okay. So after saving it, our main task is like how to create this user, how to create a blog or forum, or so now go to create content. You will see whatever you have enabled. You can see blog entry, forum topic, page and story was already there. This was already enabled, so we enabled these two. So you can go to the blog entry, you can create any blog, you can create any forum topic, and your blog will be looking like this, and your forum will look like this. So after making forum, you will see something like this. These are all the container and these are all the forum items. So let's see how to get those kind of structure. So here you will see create forum topic, and please choose particular forums. So you need to create the subject and this things, but this is like a forum topic. So to start any forum topic you need such kind of structure, and what it is saying is choose, please choose any forum. So where is that forum, is how you can create it. That you can create it using taxonomy. You will see taxonomy in administer. When you will click on this, you will find taxonomy. When you will come on this page, you will see this forum topics, type, list terms, and add terms. So let's see if anything is there or not. So no terms available. That's why it was showing blank here. Correct. So now give the term as site specific description, whatever you want. And don't look over this all these things, just click on save. So this topic is being created. Now if you will go to create content, if you will click on forum topic, so it will ask you site specific. So inside that site specific, you can make any subject, like is this Drupal demo, I want to know everything from the scratch. So let's save it. Don't look over all these things, although you can verify like what kind of comments you want read, write, read only, or disabled, or publishing options. You want publish, you want it to the promote to the front page, you can promote it. So let's save and see how it is coming. Now go to the home page and see what exactly it is looking. Your home page will be changed. So this comes here, and this is the topic inside site specific. See, you can see at the bottom bar question mark q equal to node/1. So it would come like this. If you will enable path auto, then you can write it as content and content slash is this Drupal demo, just like this, content tablets buy or buy not. Otherwise it would show like something node/316, whatever it is. So you got it, like how to create a forum topic. If you want to see like how your forum structure is coming, just click on this, and this is your forum topic. Post new forum topics, site specific, and this is under site specific. So when you will click on site specific, you will see is this Drupal demo. So like that you can create as many subtopics as you want. Like I have created site specific, and inside site specific, this is inside this, there are the three things: general chats, news and announcements, suggestions and request. These are nothing, these are just inside site specifics. So if you will click on site specific, only these three things will be visible there, only these three things. And if you want general chat, then go to here. If you want to see any news and announcements related to this website, you need to go here. If you want to change anything, or if you want to suggest something related to this website, you need to go here. So like that forum works. Now how to create any blog topics? Again go to create content, blog entry. This is my first, this is my first blog. I hope you will surely enjoy this tutorial. I wrote this. The same thing is here. If you want to attach any file, you can attach it, or if you want to insert any photos, you can install it. Currently it is showing like this, but if you want a rich text editor like MS Word, you need to install any other text editor. FCK editor is my favorite one. You can install many other editors also. So I will show you all these things, how to install FCK editor and how to use this FCK editor in the later tutorial. Currently just see like how it is coming. This is my first blog. Now again go to home page, click on this Drupal demo, it will lead you to home page. Now you can see these two topics. Once I created it on 343 and this on 347. So this is the particular blog, this is particular forum, and nothing is there. Not left side, you see only this navigation bar. You can see many other bars also. In this side also, right side, nothing is there. In the bottom, nothing is there. No primary menu, no secondary menu. So how to get all these things? Let's first see. Let me tell you first thing that all these things are blocks. Like this is the top block, this is navigational block, or this is content block, this is below the content, this is top of the content, this is header content. Like that it will be written. So let's go to the block and see how this particular web page is being configured. So you will see somewhere blocks inside site building. See, it is telling, it is telling you create clearly that this is header top, this is header, This is preface top, preface bottom, sidebar last, admin, sidebar first. Okay, this is sidebar first, this is sidebar last. So this is content top, this all things is content. So you got like where to put what. This is content, this is content bottom, this is footer. If you want to write something on footer, you can write it. These are the disable things. You can enable it and you can give any name, like you want to see it on the sidebar first. Correct. Author information, who is the author and what's their information. So new forum topics, let it be in the sidebar last. Sidebar last means right side. Recent blog post, let it be at the uh, post content bottom. What about primary links, where you want it? If you don't want anywhere, leave it like this. I will show you how to show the primary links and secondary links using particular menu. Recent comment, let it be in the sidebar last. Search forum, let it be at the header top or let it be in the header. Who is new, let it be at the sidebar first. Who is online, let it be at the footer. I will show you, like if you will write it like this, then where exactly these things will come. Who is new, user online, navigation online should be at the top, and user login should be like this. Let's save it. Let's see how it is coming. Go to the home page. See, now you can see who is new, what are all the active forum topics, what is the new forum topics, what is the recent blog topics, who is online. You can see all these things. Search button come here, it came here, right? So in this way you can create and you can make your website as beautiful as you can imagine. So these all are things are at the sidebar bottom. Let's go to the home page. So this is the home page. So you can see email subscription, you can subscribe using your email ID, and this side this polling is enabled. Who is online, who is new, upcoming birthdays, find us on Facebook, what are all the activities on Facebook related to alien coders, what are the tweets related to alien coders. At the bottom you can see recent blog post, recent forum topics, what are the recent comments, how many monthly archives are there, and at the footer bottom you can see all rights are reserved, maintained by alien coder, find on bloggers.com, like that. So these things are over. Now main thing is, where are all the links, primary link and secondary link. Let's go to the administer, and inside administer go to menus. Inside menus you will see navigation, primary links and secondary links. So this navigation is left sidebar, primary link and secondary link. So there are no primary link, no secondary link till now, so it is not showing anywhere. Let's create one primary link and see how this is coming. You can see all the blogs written in your system using your, this is your home page actually. So you just need to write blog. It should be blog. So you can see all the blogs here. Just like if I will write blog here, it will list all the blogs inside this particular website. These are all the blogs. If I will write forum, it will show the forum topics. These are all the forum topics. So these are the two links, and other thing is contact list. These three things you may need to create as a primary link. So let's go to the add item. Go to the add item. Now menu link title. So let it be blogs. What you need to show here, you need to show all the blogs inside your website. So let's give the absolute path. You can give the relative path also, like just remove this and just write blog. That will also work, but let it be the relative path. Describe all blogs are listed here. Enabled expanded, yes, expanded also, because maybe you may need inside blog you may need like something to show, like technical blogs, non-technical blogs, or search engine optimization blogs, something like this. Blogs, inside blogs, computer networks, certification, mainframe, programming languages, software gossips, like that. So for that you need to expand it. Now it will go to the primary links. You can show it anywhere. Currently we are looking for primary links, so just save it. Now you can see these blogs, correct? So in the same way you need to add two other things also, forum and contact. So you can write contact, and then you can write contact us, form feedback, just like a description. You want to expand it in future, if you want, like inside content there should be some other contact us pages also, so you can expand it. If not, then just save it. Don't worry about weight and other things. So it is coming inside primary links. Blogs, you may need home page at first. So this is the address of your home page. Let's say home, just write home page. You don't want to enable it, expand it, but it should come under primary links. So home, blogs, contacts, and then forum. So for the forum, you just go here and change it to forum. Confirm that if this link is working or not. If this link is working, just put it here. Menu link title is required because it is marked as red, so you need to write something. Let's write forums. Forums. This is just for the description. When you will hover out or hover on this forum topic, it will show as forums. If you want to expand it, expand it. If you want to show it inside this primary links, let it be inside primary links only. So it's over. Primary link is over. Now if you want to show home at first and contact us at the last, just save it like this. Earlier it was like this: blogs, contact us, forums, and home. Now it will be home, blogs, forums, and contact us. This is so easy, right? Now inside blogs you need to show something else. Maybe inside blog you need to show Google search, correct? Let it be okay. You wrote one blog and one forum, right? One blog and one forum is already ready, so let it be copy link location and let it be inside forum. Right site specific, no description, enable. If you again want to expand this site specific also, you can put it like this, or just go to here, parent item. What could be the parent item? Primary links, or it should go inside forums. If it should go inside forums, just select forums. So now inside forums you will see site specific, so the drop down menu starts working. In the same way, inside blogs you can write anything. And now what about the secondary link? Let's go to the menus and just create one secondary link. Let's see where this secondary link will be listed. And again, the location of primary links and secondary links will depend on themes. For the Mystic theme it is there, maybe for Marinelli theme it will be somewhere else, so you need to check it and make one permanent theme, so that you could start working on contents and all, rather than always modifying the layouts. Path, let it be www.aliencoders.com, and menu link title alien coders, our partner. Again, if you want to enable the secondary link, you can enable it. So it came as, see, parent item is secondary link. If I will click on this secondary link, it should be always selected as secondary link if you want to show this link as secondary link. So secondary link is coming here, alien coders. If you will click on alien coders, it will show you the alien coders homepage. So now you got like how to create menu, primary menu, secondary menu, how to enable any particular blogs and forums, how to post blogs and forums in a simpler way, and how to enable all these things, who is new, active forum topics, who is online, and where to put all these things. I hope this will help the beginners to create one particular website. And if you need any help, or if you need any further guidance, just mail me at justicecs@gmail.com, or you can post your queries here inside web design and web development. You can post inside this web design and web development also about your queries, or I will be posting the next tutorials very soon, like how to change the layouts of this admin and who is new, so that it should look similar to this home, how to get this home icon, how to change this particular logo, how this thing is coming, and how this icon is coming. So all these things need the second level tutorials. So I will show all these things, and how to install FCK editor. Because see, if you will go to our blog page, like create content, and if you will go to blog page, you can see MS Word kind of editor. Instead of plain editor, you can see something like FCK editor, like MS Word. There was no category, no tags, so you may enable like category, so that particular blog should come into the particular category. You can enable the tag, so these things are coming. So now you can insert your image also, you can insert flash, you can insert any smileys, you can insert the link, you can in bold the text, you can italic, you can make it italic, you can underline it, or you can make listing, you can make tables. So all these things you can do. You can even upload particular image just by using cck underscore image module. So how, from where you can get all these modules and how you can enable it, I will show you in the later part. Thank you.